Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record a bounce check in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, you might want to find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Recording bounce checks ensures that your financial records accurately reflect the reality of your transactions. Now, failure to account for bounce checks can lead to discrepancies between your bank statement and, of course, your accounting records, which obviously can result to inaccurate financial reporting, because from here you can reconcile your bank accounts effectively. Reconciliation involves matching transactions into your bank statement with those in QuickBooks. Including a bounce check ensures that your records match the bank's records, making the reconciliation process smoother and more accurate. Now I heavily suggest, if you are on the free plan, you might want to upgrade to the QuickBooks Online Accountant, so you would have the accountant tools. It's going to be a lot easier that way. But if not, let's just proceed. Now, once we are back on our dashboard, you need to go to the upper right corner in the cog icon setting. Now, if you're still following, click on the products and services. Right? Now, from here, we need to click the option for new. You need to choose service. Right? And from here, we have to name it as bounce check. And the SKU doesn't matter. In terms of the, let's leave the category right now and the description. Now for the income account services, hop on it and choose now you need to select savings or checking. If you can't find the savings and checking here, we might want to need to create one. All right, that's going to be checking because this is where the bounce check came from. All right. And from here, all you have to do is click on save and close. All right. The next step is, okay, so after you have done that, let's go to the cog icon setting again and click on products and services. And this time we need again to click the new, right? That's going to be service. But in this case, we are going to type in bounce check fee because that's the amount that we're going to charge the client or the customer or the partner or whoever, right? Just leave the SKU and you need to choose, just leave the category right here. Now for the income account right here, you need to choose a specific service, right? Now if you can't find the specific service that we are going to use here, you might want to use the add new option like we did earlier. Click on it. And from here, of course, it's not going to our main income. What I need you to do is hover down below and choose other income. And for the detail type, you might want to choose the other miscellaneous income, right? And after this, we need to rename this again as the bounce check fee, something like that. And once you've done that, description could be like this one. Now from here, all you have to do is save and close. All right, save and close. And for us to be able to check that we have successfully recorded a bounce check, we might need to go to the new and create an invoice for a specific customer. Now just select a customer, maybe to Andy right here, right? And say for the product service, select the bounce check because obviously we're going to let them know that it is a bounce check and we need the actual cash or money. Or now for the quantity, it's up to you, maybe one, two, or whatnot. Just put the amount, maybe like $1,000 or 200, it doesn't matter, but for now it's gonna be 3,000. Now obviously we need to select the bounce check fee because we are going to get something out of this inconvenience, and it's up to you about the certain amount. Maybe we'll put something like $10 or 20, put it that way. And from here, all you have to do is click on save if you are not sure, because from here you can also give a short message or invoice. You can customize it. You can also customize the message on the statement. It's a lot. There's a lot that you can do from here, because I believe that properly recording bounce check provides legal documentation of the transaction and the customer's failure, all right, to honor their payment. Now, this documentation can be valuable in pursuing legal recourse or debt collection efforts if necessary. And it happened to me in the past because businesses may be able to claim bad debt deductions for bounce checks that remain unpaid. And now, because we have recorded the bounce checks here in QuickBooks Online, you ensure that you have documentation to support any potential tax deductions related to bad debts. And again, recording bounce checks here in QBO is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, facilitating bank reconciliation and tracking bad debts, and of course, supporting legal and tax-related purposes. And from here, all you have to do is click on save and send or save. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.